Did you know that machines can now understand language like never before? Welcome to the world of BERT. From powering smarter search engines to improving chatbots, the BERT model is making AI more capable than ever before. And it's not just for large-scale tech companies. Its applications span across various fields, from chatbots to medical research. And it's even accessible to learners through hands-on projects on platforms like Coursera. So what exactly is BERT? It stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representation from Transformers, or BERT. And this model has taken the world of natural language processing, or NLP, by storm. This revolutionary deep learning model has improved the accuracy of understanding language and better captures the context of words in a sentence by looking at the entire sentence, not just a word at a time. At its core, BERT is a deep learning model designed to understand language in a way more closer to how humans do. Where traditional models look at a sentence word by word, BERT looks at all the words at once, considers the context of each word from both directions, before and after it. This bidirectional approach is what sets BERT apart and makes it super effective for tasks like sentiment analysis, translation, and even answering questions. So, who can use the BERT model? BERT isn't just for tech experts. Anyone can learn how to use this powerful tool. Platforms like Coursera offer courses and hands-on projects that teach you how to leverage BERT for real-world applications. Imagine building an AI-powered system that can interact with users more human-likely or better analyze customer feedback. That's the magic of BERT. And here's something you might find interesting. BERT's impact goes beyond just developers. Companies across industries, including healthcare, are using BERT to improve their research, with applications ranging from diagnosing diseases through medical text to finding the right treatment faster. So whether you're a beginner eager to dive into AI or an experienced data scientist looking to improve your NLP models, BERT has something to offer. The best part is you can start learning today and open up endless possibilities in the world of AI. Explore BERT and more of the exciting world of AI on Coursera. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more.